with your Storm Team weather. Here's Chief Meteorologist Aaron Ayers, sponsored by Jim Bass Cars and Trucks.
Well, we saw another 100-plus degree day here in San Angelo today, and taking a look at the time lapse over today from downtown San Angelo. Take a look at that. Clear skies for us today. Plenty of sunshine, and watch this. Here comes the sunset here at 8 o'clock. Bright orange there in the western horizon there, so definitely a nice summertime sunset for us here across downtown San Angelo. Now things are just dark and quiet for us with cooler conditions. Notice I put that in quotes this weekend. That means we're not going to be seeing temperatures near 110 anymore, but things are still going to be hot. We've got some sunny summer days ahead of us. Isolated summertime storms are in the question for us for next week. We'll talk about that coming up in just a few minutes. Otherwise, Comet Neowise, continuing to watch that over the next couple of days. Only a few more days here to see that here across the Concho Valley. Almanac today, we got up to 104 out at the airport today. We broke 100 degrees once again here. Our average high this time of the year is around 95 degrees. Our record 106 and 1989. Our low this morning of 73, just a couple degrees above average for us for this time of the year out at the airport. That's where we sat for today. Where we're sitting right now, 92 degrees. Feels like 91 thanks to humidity at 32%. Winds out of the southeast at 9 miles per hour. Clear conditions across the area. And we're not seeing any type of rain showers or thunderstorms or anything in the Concho Valley on the radar. Earlier I noticed there were some bats showing up here that flew through the area, so those were picked up on radar, but not seeing those now as we go into past the 10 o'clock hour. What we are seeing on clouds and radar across the region are some showers out in the Gulf of Mexico, just south of Louisiana there, so definitely some showers out in the Gulf of Mexico. Things have calmed down here in southern Texas, not seeing as many rain showers there now as we were earlier in the day, and some showers back towards New Mexico. So definitely dealing with some showers out there, but things are turning dry for us for the central part of the state. All thanks to this guy out here, the high pressure system sitting out over the Gulf of Mexico. This is going to slide over the southeastern United States over the next couple of days here as we go into the weekend. Mostly sunny and cooler for us here in the Concho Valley with highs in the upper 90s for us. As we go into next week as well, we'll continue to see that. But as we get into Wednesday, we'll watch for a chance of an isolated thunderstorm here in the Concho Valley as we go to Wednesday. So as we get some of that return wind flow off the Gulf of Mexico, that would be the potential for some moisture to come up in here, and that would be the potential for us to see some evening showers and thunderstorms as we go into next week. We'll talk about that as we get closer to next week. Otherwise, daytime highs for us are going to be close to normal for us for this time of the year. After we get past Saturday at 99 and Sunday at 97 and Monday at 97, then we get to 96 and 95, closer to where we should be for daytime highs for this time of the year. So even with temperatures at 90 degrees, the inside of your car, your locked car, can get up to 109 just after 10 minutes. So remember, check the back seat and don't leave people or pets in locked hot cars, because even after 30 minutes at 90 degrees, we're close to 124 degrees inside the car. Another thing to watch for this weekend is Comet Neowise. Tomorrow at 9:30 to 10:30 is the best visibility. Look northwest, and unfortunately we may see some clouds obscuring that for us tomorrow, so visibility may not be the best tomorrow evening. But for tonight, we'll get down to 73 degrees. Mostly clear conditions here in the Concho Valley as we go into Saturday. 99 degrees, topping out close to 100 in some of our communities. Sunny conditions for our Saturday as we go into the next 5 days here in the Concho Valley. The temperatures are going to start coming down for us in daytime highs, back into the upper 90s for us, 96, 95 by Wednesday. Again, that slight chance of an isolated storm maybe on Wednesday. We'll watch that as we get closer to next week. Otherwise, mostly sunny conditions, highs close to the upper 90s. We'll be back on KSAN News.